He thought it would be just another regular workday, but Mike and his friends had a different plan in mind. The secret plan. Sulley's birthday was approaching, and Mike decided to organize a surprise party for his best friend. He wanted to make the day special, so with the help of a group of monsters at the factory, he secretly prepared a big birthday party for Sulley. While Sulley was busy working, Mike started decorating the factory with balloons and colorful streamers and ordered a giant cake with Sulley's face on it. But the task wasn't easy. They needed to keep everything hidden from Sulley until the perfect moment, causing a group of monsters and children to enter the factory before the party was ready. Chaos erupted, and Mike and the other monsters tried to control the situation, but it quickly got out of hand. The children were wandering around the factory, and the monsters were scrambling to hide the decorations while Sulley remained unaware, still busy with his work. The surprise is revealed. As Sulley approached the door section, the sounds grew louder and louder. The sounds of laughter and strange whispers made him wonder, what's going on here? When he entered the main room, he found everyone gathered around a big cake with his face on it, and the room was filled with balloons and streamers. At that moment, Boo felt nostalgic for her old friend Sulley and appeared through her magical door to be part of the celebration. When Sulley saw Boo, he smiled widely and ran to hug her. It was a heartwarming moment, and Sulley was incredibly grateful to see Boo again on such a special day. The big celebration. The party began after the surprise, and everyone started dancing and laughing. There was joyful music filling the air, and the children were dancing with the monsters. Even Shoeshini, who had caused the chaos, kept delivering his strange jokes, making everyone laugh. The cake was delicious, and everyone had a fantastic time. Thanks to Mike and his friends' efforts, an ordinary day turned into one of the best days in Sulley's life. Despite the chaos caused by Shoeshini, the party was a huge success, and the factory was filled with happiness and laughter. The happy ending. At the end of the day, Sulley sat with his friends, watching Boo wave goodbye to him as she returned to her world through the door. He felt deeply grateful for the friends who made his day so special. With a wide smile, Sulley said, "I never expected this surprise. You guys are the best friends a monster could ever have." Mike, laughing, replied, "Oh, it wasn't easy, but we knew you deserved something special." And so, the day ended, filled with laughter and beautiful memories that left a lasting impression on everyone's heart.